Today you're going to learn how to solve a 3 Rubik's Cube.
The very first step is just to get the white cloth. So there we got 2. There we got 3. And there we have our thing lined up like that. And then you just spin it twice to get on the ball. And then repeat that for the rest of it.
So next you want to put these corners into the correct place. So here's one. So you put it in the white, orange, and green spot.
Sure.
Like that. And then do it for the rest. So next you want to put these edges into the correct place. So orange and green goes into in between the orange and green. So you do this algorithm, so you match this up. Look at the bottom color, it's green. So you go away from the green, so away. And then put in the corner like you normally would. And then you got that. So then you keep on doing the next few. So you want to make a cross on top, just like how you did on the bottom. So if you have a dot, you just do this algorithm. And then you have an L, like this. So you want it facing you and to the right. And you do that same algorithm. And you have a line, and keep on doing that. So you want it parallel to you now. And you have a cross. So next you want to match these edges up. So these aren't correct. So hold the incorrect one, one facing you, one facing the right, and then do this algorithm. And then you have them all matched up. So next, you want to put these corners in their correct places. So if you have one correct, hold it on your right and do this algorithm. And it might take a couple times. All in their correct places. Next, you want to line them up like that. So I just do this algorithm and just keep on randomly doing it. Okay, so you have 2 of them solved, and you want these last 2. So you want to do this. Hold it on the right, and do that same algorithm. And you solved the Rubik's Cube.